Hi, happy Thanksgiving. So I'm doing a bunch of cooking today, but I wanted to stop in a moment and actually show you how to make a pear, cranberry, and feta salad. So if you're like many across America today, you've been tasked with bringing the salad. And so I want to just demonstrate this very simple but tasty recipe. This salad serves between 4 and 6 people. And you're going to begin with mixed greens. Obviously, you're going to wash those greens. You know how I feel about that. I've pulled out one of my decorative pieces of glass to show, just because it's nice to put your salad in something that will help its presentation. For this salad, because it's a pear salad, we're going to use a Bosc pear, an Italian Bosc pear. It has a little bit different texture than a Bartlett pear, and so it holds up well in the salad. And so once you have mixed your greens, you're going to slice that Bosc pear and add it to the mixed greens. Next, you're going to use a 1/4 cup of pecans. I've chosen chopped pecans, but you can use whole. It's really your choice. I'm also using a 1/4 cup of dried cranberries. This really makes the salad. It offers a nice chewy texture in addition to the crunch of the pecans. Now I'm using feta cheese, which is about just a 1/4 cup of feta cheese. You can easily use gorgonzola for this, and often many people do. I'm using poppy seed dressing to dress the salad. You can use champagne dressing, which is a favorite of mine for this same salad. The great news is that this takes about 10 minutes to make from start to finish, and it's probably the fastest thing you'll make this Thanksgiving Day.